Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this smart camera. It is made in shade of bulb. It is super convenient. It has 4MP, the clarity of the image. And this is the bulb. So it is pretty cool, as you can see, and you can also plug in this part over here, and you can plug into your cord over here extension, which I will demonstrate today, or to the wall. If no, of course you can plug in to the light, put it indoors and monitor what's happening around your house. If no, you can also use this extension over here. So it is super easy. You can just do it like so. So I'll show you how to set it up. So first you need to power it. So I'm going to just plug that in like so. Okay, so once it is powered, we can go ahead and go to our app. The app is called Littlelf Smart. It is over here. So as you can see, it is powered. It is already starting, saying that it's ready to connect. So you can see it goes 360 degrees, which is amazing. And we see the light is on over here as well. Let me bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see. So it is blinking. It is ready to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the app right now, and I'm going to press add device. You just need to have your Bluetooth on. So after that, I'm going to pick my camera over here, and from this list, what I want to connect, I'm just connecting the camera and the Wi-Fi. Yes, the Wi-Fi is on. I pick the camera that I want to connect. Yes, the indicator is blinking. This is what we want, which started right when I just powered up. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And I'm going to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So just a second. And now it is discovering it. Okay, that is it. It was easy and simple to set it up, as you can see. I'm gonna click done. And now from your mobile app, you can actually pick either subscription, or you can also use the memory card inside and use that. So I can already see the picture over here, as you can see. I see myself moving, and it says that the motion was detected. So it also detects the motion. It is a two-way voice, so you can speak from the camera itself to the person there. So it is pretty cool. Now let me just show you how it works. So guys, I just installed it on my light over here to show you as an example, and it is pretty cool. I am here on my app right now, and just by sliding it up and down, you can move the camera, and you hear how it is moving back and forth. So this is pretty cool. Also, there's a light option. So as you can see, there's no light right now, but if you turn on the light, you do the switch off, or you do the timing, you see there's a light now. So this is pretty cool. Another option over here, the motion detection, sound detection, also serene motion, as I mentioned before, is on, HDR, night mode. There's so many different other options, which I think is just pretty awesome. So you can just slide it and see everything around. As you can see, pretty cool. So I'm just going to go down right now, and I will go to the left. So I'm just going to show you where I am standing. So this is me over here. Guys, as you can see, this is me. I'm just moving around right and left. So this is pretty cool over here. And the quality is pretty awesome as well, as you can see. So let me turn off the light, as I don't need it right now. And let me show the two-way conversation over here. So you can just turn on the mic and you can hold it, so you can hear what's going on in the room, and you can hold and talk. Okay, let me give the permission. Okay, so I'm talking right now. Just because I'm too close right now, then you can hear kind of echo, but other than that, you can go two-way conversation over here. You can also Also the motion detections, as you can see, it just pop up like this.